Yo.
We're filming.
We're filming, yo. We're following Chelsea.
Do this.
Did I shut my thing?
I think that's Morgan's grandma in that car over there.
Hi, Morgan's grandma. A laugh. She goes to graduation. Yeah, some random person just said hi to me.
I'm good. Sewers.
Yeah, I'm getting bit.
Already?
Yeah, I get bit pretty easily. Y'all are dumb. We got some idiots like, ew, Chelsea. Yum, delicious.
Oh, I'm just so thirsty now.
Doesn't that just make you so thirsty, guys? Just
Not very much of this stuff happens.
what are they? You like can't get across that bridge. Poor kid.
They're doing it with wood. I want to go in the blue.
I'm sorry, you're gonna die. I feel so bad for you. I'd skip across this, but yeah, my shoes would get flooded so fast. Quick, I'm gonna take off my shoes and run across. Anybody else wanna go with me?
No, I'm good.
You ready, Sam? Ready? We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Is everybody ready?
Hey, watch out, you're gonna get hit.
Oh God.
Drive through it! Hey, Amanda, you ready?
Oh Lord! You're actually gonna do it? I was kidding.
Come on! That's sewer water as well. You were aware of that.
Yeah, I'm good. Oh my God, Sam, what are you doing? Sam! Sam, get back here! Go for it, Sam, go! Run! Sam, run! Run! Sam, run! Come on, Sam!
That's nasty. I ain't doing that. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I am not doing it. I am not getting it. What are you doing?
Sam, are you having fun?
That is disgusting.
I'll be taking a shower after this.
I hope she is. That's
Oh, that's gonna be in my truck.
Oh.
Hell no.
Sam, get
Sam,
over
you're
here.
walking home.
You're walking home, Sam.
Sam, if you don't get back here, you're walking home.
That's you to get your
Sam!
feet in my truck.
Samantha Grace. Oh my God. Sam, get back here. Okay, guys, we're leaving her. Bye. She said she's never getting back here. She took your shoes, Sam. What's the matter? Oh, my pants are getting all wet. My pants are falling down.
Come on, Sam.
Sam! Don't make me. Oh my fucking God. I have to go in and get her, don't I? Where the fuck is Jake when you need him? He'll be like, oh my fucking God, get back here. I gotta sit right now. Let's go, bitch. Bye, Sam.
Yeah, but it's flooded.
Do we look stupid? Bug just flew in my mouth.
Oh God.
What are they doing now? Yes, but they're shirtless, so it's amusing to me.
They're gonna be talking with next year.
Yes, but they're shirtless, but it's amusing to me.
It's just awkward to me because I know them.
I'm pretty sure they like you. Okay, moving on.
No.
Just kidding. I was kidding.
If I didn't know them, they'd totally be good because I know them, so it's really awkward. These are so going.
Oh, here comes Sam. Run, Chelsea, here. Sorry, Chelsea. Chelsea, we're leaving her here. She said you're going to get her truck all muddy, and she said good. So we're leaving her here.
Did she really say that?
Yeah, that's what she said. So we're leaving her here. Oh, look out. Here she comes. Here she comes, Chelsea.
She died.
Run, Chelsea, run! I can't run over the train. I'd like to slide into that. Chelsea, where are you going? So you can see, it's all flooded. There's containers. What? You smoke? What? I said I get smoke. I had a dream I smoked. Now I want to start smoking. You think I'm kidding?
Sam!
Oh my fucking God, Sam!
You're not getting in my truck like that!
Sam, seriously!
Come on, Sam. Samantha.
Swear to God.
You're not getting in her truck like that!
Here.
Oh my God, Sam, seriously, that's disgusting.
I know.
Get back!